Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. K-Boy Reacts. It's back today. NCT Dream. Haven't heard NCT Dream in a while. I don't think I've reacted to any NCT Dream yet. Have I reacted to any NCT? I think I did some 127 or something like that. Anyway, NCT Dream reigns in heaven. I think I've heard a couple songs by NCT Dream. I know I've heard plenty of the 127 songs, but I think there are some Dream songs that I heard. I just don't remember them offhand. But, you know, it's NCT, so they're going to sound good. I rock with them. Not going to do too much talking, so before I start, like, subscribe to that bell notification and join the squad. Moving on up, baby. That's it. I'm going to go ahead and get into this video. We can talk about it later. Let's go.
You feel all, I know that you lost all, but I am always by your side. We are all the same, but hurt different. I heard when you cried, it rains in heaven. I won't let you fall down unless you're in my arms, only in my arms. Keep your heart with me, let me read it. All your tears remind me you're beautiful. It won't change how I think. I love the way you are, the way you are. Yeah, I say now take it step by step. Stay on to the next song and dream with no regrets. Hold on, never let go. I wanna hold you, girl, I adore you. Just let me show you. Let your heaven shine. Let's go. We ain't ever looking back no. Don't let any of our past chase us down, you know. We're more than that, we're made to think.
Got a couple goosebumps. I like this. I like that smooth choreo.
Remember the reason I love. Told me that you won't give up. Falling, we walk, so we run. Get off the ground, go up higher and higher now. Falling like a shooting star. Hit you anywhere you are. You ain't even gotta call. 'Cause I'll be there. We are all the same, but we're different. I heard when you cry, raising heaven. No, I won't let you fall down unless you're in my arms. Only in my arms. Keep your heart with me, let me read it. All your tears remind me you're beautiful. It won't change how I think. I love the way you are, the way you are. Yes, I do, yes, I do. Let's go. Yes, I love it. I love the way you are. Yes, I do. The way you are.
That was beautiful. Is that a live clip of it? Like a performance video? Might be. But that was beautiful. That was beautiful. It kind of reminded me a bit of I mean, maybe it's because I kept hearing the way you are, Bruno Mars. You know the song, but it was just beautiful all around. I love the atmosphere of the whole video. The choreo I really liked, and I want to go see a performance video because I liked how smooth that it was. So I just want to see, the smoothness of it. And I already know, like, in concert, this will be like, I know a lot of people like to end on that hype song, but to me, I would like to hear a concert end on something like this, and then everyone just goes home like, that was beautiful. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, really good song. Of course, NCT always sounds amazing, no matter which of the 96 members it is. They're gonna sound amazing. Um, it's just, I don't know what else to say. It was a beautiful song and a beautiful video. Like, everyone did their thing right. What's funny is I didn't even realize it was English until about 30 seconds in, and I was like, oh, there's this whole English track. But it was incredible. I love that it went more than 30 seconds, like 2 minutes, like a lot of songs be nowadays, 2.5 minutes and stuff. It's a full-on song. Just amazing. Amazing work, man. They always kill it. Are they coming to Chicago? I don't remember if it's NCT Dream or You or 127. One of them, I think, will be in Chicago soon. I'm gonna have to look that up. But yeah, man, like I said, incredible. Incredible. Let me know what y'all think about this down below. That's it. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and all that good stuff. I'll see all you beautiful people next time. Peace.